How you doing? I'm Kevin.
Good. Frankie, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Frankie. Path in life, you know?
True.
Hang tight right here.
Cool. Oh.
Yeah, he didn't brake for that. That's why.
Close by and cheap.
That's fine. I do K1.
Uh-huh.
All right, cool.
Where's home for you?
San Diego. So,
Where all the Pinoys are? Yeah.
All right, we have a sharp right here, sharp right turn. Okay, nice and smooth on the throttle, squeeze on that gas. Gas, 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 into a medium right turn here. It wiggles right then left after this. There you go. Into an immediate sharp right turn again before the green cone, sharp right turn here. Into a long right turn, stay on the inside, stay on the inside, stay on the inside. Okay, back to our sharp right turn up here. There you go, nice brakes. Okay, squeeze on that throttle, more throttle, more throttle. There you go. Back to our medium right. After this wiggle, we're going to slow down. We're going to go straight this time for the pit. Nice and slow in the pit. We'll park behind that great car there.
Sounds good.
Yeah, but I did two-stroke 100cc karting for a couple seasons. But K1's so easy and cheap.
Right.
And affordable.
Oh man, getting old sucks. I'm about to be 30.
Dude, I'm 38, man.
Oh, okay. All right, cool. Yeah, take care.